Shwmai, I'm David Thomas. I'm a project manager at Trydan Gwyrdd Cymru. I'm here to tell you about our plans for a wind farm at Glyn Cothi in Carmarthenshire. Trydan has been set up by the Welsh Government to develop renewable energy projects on land that it owns, like the Brechfa forest here in Carmarthenshire. Mae datblygu ein prosiectau ynni adnewyddadwy a raddfa fawr ein hunan, yn bennaf ar ein tir ein hunan, yn golygu ein bod ni mewn gwell sefyllfa i roi byfion uniongyrchol i bobl Gymru, tra ar yr un pryd yn helpu i gyrraedd targedau hinsawdd Cymru a moderneiddio ein system ynni. I'm speaking to you today from the site of our proposed Glyn Cothi wind farm, 20 kilometres northeast of Carmarthen. It's a great site for a wind farm. It's really windy, high up, and it's remote. It has already been earmarked as a site that is suitable for a large wind farm. The proposed Glyn Cothi site is in a pre-assessed area for wind, sites identified in Welsh Government's Future Wales, the National Plan 2040, as being suitable for large-scale onshore wind. Gallai gynhyrchu hyd at 162 megawatt o drydan glân, sef y swm cyfartalog cyfatebol blynyddol o drydan sy'n cael ei ddefnyddio gan tua 144,000 o gartrefi. And what's more, our project will bring lots of benefits. Commercial forestry can continue, while the wind farm itself will create good jobs. We'll improve access to the forest for recreation. The project will also improve conditions for nature through habitat management plans.
NLW will work closely with Trydan Gwyrdd Cymru to minimise and compensate for woodland loss, manage operational constraints and maximise social and environmental benefits.
At NLW, we are fully committed to supporting this journey. We recognise the urgency of the climate challenge, but we also see the enormous opportunities that come with building a clean energy economy. Onshore wind is a cornerstone of that future, and by working together, investing strategically and planning smartly,
we can ensure that Wales leads the way in delivering renewable energy in the future for both the people and the environment.
Hyn I gyd tra'n creu elw sy'n aros yng Nghymru I wario ar y flaenoriaeth Cymru. Wy'n edrych mlaen at fynd mas I gwrdd â phobl leol I rannu syniadau ar sut y gallwn ni wneud hwn yn prosiect gorau posibl I Sir Gaerfyrddin ac I Cymru.